Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring three important structures: had to, and had been.
These expressions talk about past possession, past obligation, and past perfect tenses.
Understanding all three makes your past tense usage much clearer.
They're used constantly when telling stories and describing the past.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use each one.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand these are three different uses of had.
They look similar, but mean completely different things.
Let's explore each one carefully.
Form 1. Had as main verb for possession.
This is had as the past simple of have.
Structure. Subject plus had plus object.
I had a car. She had 3 cats. They had problems.
Uses of had for possession.
Use 1, past possession, owning something in the past.
I had a bicycle when I was young. I owned it.
She had long hair last year. She possessed it.
Use 2. Past experiences.
We had a great time at the party. We experienced it.
He had difficulties with the test. He experienced them.
Use 3, past obligations or necessities with other verbs.
I had breakfast at 7 a.m. She had a meeting yesterday.
Common everyday verb.
Form 2. Had to, expressing past obligation.
This shows necessity or obligation in the past.
Structure. Subject plus had to plus base verb.
I had to work. She had to leave. They had to study.
Uses of had to.
Use 1, past obligation, something you were required to do.
I had to finish my homework. It was necessary.
She had to go to the doctor. She was obligated.
Use 2. Past necessity. No choice.
We had to cancel the trip. There was no other option.
They had to move houses. Circumstances forced them.
Use 3, rules or requirements in the past.
I had to wear a uniform at school. It was a rule.
Visitors had to sign in. It was required.
Form 3. Had been. Past perfect.
This is the past perfect form of be.
Structure. Subject plus had been plus place plus adjective plus verb ing.
I had been there. She had been sick. They had been waiting.
Uses of had been.
Use 1, past perfect, for earlier past.
I had been to Paris before 2020. Visit happened before 2020.
She had been sick before the exam. Sick before the exam.
Use 2. Past perfect continuous. Ongoing past action.
I had been working there for 5 years. Continuous past action.
They had been waiting for hours. Duration in the past.
Use 3, describing states in earlier past.
The house had been empty for months. State before something.
He had been a teacher before becoming a writer. Earlier profession.
The key differences.
Had alone means past simple possession or experience.
Had to means past obligation or necessity.
Had been means past perfect or earlier past or continuous past action.
Completely different meanings.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Linda, how was your job interview yesterday?
It was stressful. I had to wake up at 5 a.m.
Oh no. Had you been to that company before?
Yes, I had been there once for a tour last year.
That must have helped. Did you have any problems getting there?
Actually, I had some trouble. I had to take 3 different buses.
3 buses? You must have been exhausted.
I was, and I had been preparing for days, so I was already tired.
How long had you been waiting before the interview started?
I had been waiting for 30 minutes. They were running late.
That's frustrating, but you had plenty of experience, right?
Yes, I had worked in a similar role before, so that helped.
And you had to answer difficult questions, right?
Yes, I had to explain why I left my last job. That was tough.
Well, you had been at that job for a long time, right?
Yes, I had been there for 5 years before I decided to leave.
Did you notice all 3 forms?
I had to wake up at 5 a.m., past obligation.
Had you been to that company before? Past perfect, earlier visit.
I had been there once, past perfect.
I had some trouble. Past simple, possession.
I had to take 3 buses, past obligation.
I had been preparing. Past perfect continuous.
Had you been waiting? Past perfect continuous question.
I had been waiting. Past perfect continuous.
You had plenty of experience, past simple possession.
I had worked. Past perfect, earlier job.
You had to answer questions. Past obligation.
I had to explain. Past obligation.
You had been at that job. Past perfect continuous. Duration.
I had been there for 5 years. Past perfect continuous.
All 3 forms used naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Confusing had and had been.
Wrong. I had to London. Correct. I had been to London.
For places visited, use had been.
Mistake 2. Forgetting to in had to.
Wrong. I had go home. Correct. I had to go home.
Always had to for obligation.
Mistake 3. Using had been when simple past is enough.
Wrong. I had been there yesterday, if that's the only past action.
Correct. I was there yesterday. Or, I had been there before yesterday.
Use past perfect only when showing earlier past.
Mistake 4. Wrong verb form after had to.
Wrong. I had to went. Correct. I had to go. Base verb.
Always base verb after to.
Mistake 5. Using must for past obligation.
Wrong. Yesterday, I must leave. Correct. Yesterday, I had to leave.
Must has no past. Use had to.
Negative forms.
Didn't have for possession.
I didn't have a car. She didn't have time.
Didn't have to for obligation.
I didn't have to work. It wasn't necessary.
Hadn't been for past perfect.
I hadn't been there before. She hadn't been waiting long.
Different negative forms.
Questions.
Did you have for possession?
Did you have a good time? Did she have any questions?
Did you have to for obligation?
Did you have to leave early? Did they have to pay?
Had you been for past perfect?
Had you been there before? Had she been waiting long?
Match the form to the meaning.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 10 sentences using had for past possession.
Day 2, write 10 sentences using had to for past obligations.
Day 3. Write 10 sentences using had been for past perfect.
Day 4, tell a story using all 3 forms.
Day 5. Practice questions with each form.
Day 6, notice which form native speakers use in movies.
Day 7. Explain the 3 forms to another learner.
By week's end, you'll use them naturally.
Understanding had been plus verb ing.
This is past perfect continuous.
Shows action that was ongoing in the past.
I had been living there for 3 years. Duration.
She had been studying all night. Continuous action.
Very useful for showing how long something continued.
Had to versus must. Past.
For past obligation, always use had to.
Must doesn't have a past form.
Present, I must go. Past, I had to go. Present, she must attend. Past, she had to attend.
Remember this transformation.
Didn't have to versus mustn't.
Different meanings.
Didn't have to equals it wasn't necessary, but you could if you wanted.
I didn't have to work on Saturday. Optional.
Mustn't equals prohibited, forbidden.
You mustn't smoke here. Not allowed.
Very different.
Timeline visualization.
Let's see how these work on a timeline.
Far past. I had been there. Earliest event.
Recent past, I went there. Later event.
Now. Present moment.
Had been is used for the earlier of two past events.
This helps you understand past perfect.
Had as auxiliary versus main verb.
Had can be two different things. Main verb, I had a car, possession. Auxiliary verb, I had seen it. Helping verb for past perfect.
Different functions.
Real life contexts.
Telling stories about the past.
When I arrived, they had already left. I had to cancel my plans.
Explaining experiences.
I had never been to Asia before. She had worked there previously.
Explaining obligations.
We had to follow strict rules. I had to learn everything quickly.
Different situations.
Had been to versus went to.
Important distinction.
I had been to Paris means experience before another past time.
I went to Paris, simple past action.
I had been to Paris before I visited London, shows sequence.
I went to Paris last year, simple fact.
Use had been when showing earlier experience.
Had better.
This is a different expression.
Had better means strong advice or warning.
You had better hurry, strong suggestion.
We'd better leave now, advisable.
Different from our three forms today.
Contractions.
Had contracts to ud.
I had to I'd, she had to she'd, they had to they'd.
Had not to hadn't.
Very common in speech.
Comparing all three.
Same root word, different meanings.
Possession. I had a dog when I was young.
Obligation. I had to walk the dog every day.
Past perfect. I had been walking the dog when it started raining.
All about dogs, different uses.
Had in conditional sentences.
Third conditional uses had.
If I had known, I would have told you. Unreal past.
If she had studied, she would have passed. Didn't happen.
Had is crucial for expressing unreal past.
More detailed examples.
At work.
I had to attend the meeting. Obligation. I had been working there for 2 years. Duration.
On vacation.
We had a wonderful time. Experience. We had to book early. Necessity.
We had been planning the trip for months. Continuous past.
Moving houses.
They had too much furniture. Possession. They had to hire movers. Obligation.
They had been living in the old house for 10 years. Duration.
Understanding when to use had been.
Ask yourself, are there 2 past events?
If yes, use had been for the earlier one.
Example. When I arrived, she had already left. She left before I arrived.
Example. I had been to Rome before I visited Venice. Rome visit was first.
This makes the sequence clear.
Common expressions with had.
Had appears in many fixed phrases.
I had no idea. We had no choice. She had second thoughts.
They had a hard time. He had a point. We had fun.
Learn these as chunks.
Had to in reported speech.
Must changes to had to in reported speech.
Direct. You must leave. Reported. He said I had to leave.
Direct. I must finish this. Reported. She said she had to finish it.
Common transformation.
Had been living versus lived.
Important difference. I had been living there for 5 years. Emphasizes duration and continuity. I lived there for 5 years. Simple fact.
Had been living emphasizes the ongoing nature.
Regional differences.
These forms are used the same everywhere.
British, American, Australian English. Same rules.
Universal patterns.
Emphasis with had to.
Adding emphasis to necessity.
I really had to go. We absolutely had to finish.
They definitely had to change plans. I just had to try it.
Adverbs add emphasis.
Had with specific time expressions.
Had works with past time markers.
I had a meeting yesterday. She had problems last week.
They had dinner at 7 p.m. We had a party on Saturday.
Clear past time references.
Had to with frequency.
Showing how often something was necessary.
I had to work late every day. She had to take medicine twice daily.
They had to check in regularly. We had to call them often.
Repeated past obligations.
Had been with for and since.
Showing duration in past perfect.
I had been waiting for an hour. She had been studying since morning.
They had been friends for 10 years. He had been sick since Tuesday.
For means duration, since means starting point.
Practice transformations.
Present to past.
I have a car. To I had a car.
I must go. To I had to go.
I have been there. To I had been there.
Simple transformations.
Testing your understanding.
Which form fits?
I blank 3 cats when I was young. To had possession.
We blank leave early yesterday. To had to obligation.
She blank living there for years. To had been duration.
They blank a great vacation. To had experience.
I blank study all night. To had to necessity.
Perfect.
Quick review. Had main verb equals past simple possession or experience.
Had to equals past obligation or necessity.
Had been equals past perfect, earlier past, or continuous past.
Use had to for all past obligations. Must has no past.
Didn't have to, wasn't necessary.
Past perfect shows earlier of 2 past events.
Had been plus verb ing equals past perfect continuous.
Contractions, I'd, she'd, hadn't.
Questions, did you have? Did you have to? Had you been?
These forms help you tell detailed past stories.
You now understand all 3 forms completely.
Practice makes them automatic.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. I blank study English yesterday. Use had to.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone.
Bye.